I don't know, okay? Not that it even matters or anything, but I figured maybe I would build something with my hands, I guess. I took this photech class when I was in high school, like woodworking. Well, I mean, I took a lot of photech classes because I just thought they were a big jerk off, but this one time though, I had a teacher by the name of Mr. Pike. Yeah, yeah, I think he was a Marine or something before he got old. He was hard of hearing and stuff. My project for his class was to build this wooden box, just kind of like a small sort of just like a box, just to put stuff in. And I just wanted to get the thing done as fast as possible. I figured I could cut classes for the rest of the semester, and then he wouldn't be able to flunk me as long as I just made the thing, right? So I get it done quickly in a couple of days. It it looked pretty lame, but it worked, for putting stuff in and whatnot. So I bring it in and go and show it to Mr. Pike to go get my grade, and he looks at it and he says to me, "Is that the best that you can do?" First, I just thought to myself, hell yeah, bitch. Now give me a D and shut up so I can go blaze one with my boys. I don't know. Maybe it was the way he said it or something, but it's like he wasn't saying that it sucked or anything. Like, he was just asking me honestly, is that all you got? And for some reason, I just thought to myself, yeah, man, I can do better than that. So I started from scratch and I built another one, and then another one. And then by the end of the semester, by like box number 5, I'd built this thing. Like, you should have seen it. It was insane. Like, I built it out of Peruvian walnut with inlaid zebra wood. It was all fitted together with pegs, no screws or anything. I sanded it down for days until it was just smooth as glass. And then I rubbed all the wood in tung oil so that it was rich and dark. It even smelled good. You put your nose inside of it and breathe it in. It was perfect. What happened to it? I gave it to my mom afterwards. No, no. I didn't give it to my mom. I traded it for an ounce of wheat.